Hi everyone, it's Simon Keeling here at weatherweb.net and sailingweather.co.uk, the Sailing Weather Information Service. This is your week ahead and weekend outlook for sailing. Now, this forecast is completely free of charge and we want it to stay that way. So we're looking for sponsors for this forecast, which means we can keep it updated and it means that we can update it more regularly as well. At the moment it's updated on Mondays and Thursdays and we've got lots of people now watching, hundreds in fact, and that's going to be hitting the thousands pretty soon. So if you know a club, marina, anybody at all who could sponsor, do let us know, and please do spread the word about the forecast. Send the link off to your friends, your clubs, your marinas, and let them know about it too. The more people we can get watching, the more chances we can keep the forecasts going. Okay, so this is the chart for today then. Low pressure centred in the eastern channel, bringing in a northeasterly wind through those eastern parts of the channel. Quite breezy through Scotland. Westerlies here at 6s and 7s. Irish Sea looking at westerlies nearer a 4. Western parts of the channel, northwesterlies at 5. And the eastern parts of England running into the eastern channel, generally quite variable, but mainly east to northeasterly at 4s and 5s, so that rain clearing away. Tuesday looks like this, with the front clearing its way eastwards during the course of Tuesday morning. Some strong winds running ahead of that front. We're looking at southwesterlies at 8 ahead of the front, right the way up the eastern coast of England. But behind it, we find the winds turn westerlies at 7s or 8s, and then they'll decrease to a west-southwesterly 6s and 7s from the west later on. Western Scotland, west-southwesterlies at 6s and 7s as well. Some brighter spells following in behind that front, and some showers coming through. Watch out though for fairly rough seas, particularly in the west and through the channel. Wednesday sees the winds increasing again, becoming southwesterlies at 7s and 8s, and then increasing further, becoming 9s and 10s possibly through Thursday evening across southern England. The Irish Sea southwesterlies here, probably blowing at around a 6 or a 7, but then becoming an 8 later. Western Scotland southwesterlies at 8, Eastern Scotland southwesterlies 7, eastern parts of England southwesterlies at 6s and 7s, but 7s offshore. And watch out for this feature coming in from the southwest, blowing in, bringing some pretty heavy bursts of rain. Thursday sees low pressure still in control. The first system that we've just seen off now in the North Sea, bringing a westerly through Scotland at 7s and 8s. The Irish Sea westerlies at 6s, and off eastern coast of England though, westerlies at 8s or 9s, probably becoming a 7 later. Now through the channel it does become quite variable as that little area of low pressure moves through, but a bit of a question mark over this one, because it is jumping around from run to run of the various different models. But I think what we have to work on is ahead of it probably going southwesterly, and I think we've got to be looking at 7s, behind it becoming northwesterly 7s, around it cyclonic and probably blowing at around a 3. And then on to Friday, well, a very windy day Friday, heavy rain moving its way northwards, although again question marks over this one. Latest model runs trying to tone this down a little bit, but at the moment we're going to go with this idea. Southwesterlies of 8s or 9s moving into the channel. Southeasterlies running ahead of this system, probably 4s and 5s for eastern England and 4s for western parts of England and western Scotland, and southwesterlies at 4s or 5s across eastern parts of Scotland too. Watch this one very carefully. This forecast could change. And that has a knock-on effect into the weekend as well. At the moment, Saturday looks like low pressures off the east coast. It brings in a north to northeasterly wind. I think 8s or 9s, possibly getting up to 10s across eastern Scotland. 8 to 9 for many of us. I think through the channel, though, 7s to 8s, and probably becoming a 6 later, but some heavy showers coming through. Sunday definitely at the moment looking the best day of the weekend. This could all change, but at the moment Sunday looks to be the one. The wind's going westerly, probably 5s and 6s in northern Scotland, westerlies at 5s across southern parts of England, and west-southwesterlies 4 or 5 in the Irish Sea. But look what's out in the west again, another area of low pressure coming in, with the winds increasing during the course of the evening and late afternoon across Southern Ireland. Need to watch this one for the timings. If that does speed up, then the strong winds could be further east quicker than we expect. But at the moment, Sunday looks the pick of the days. So there you go then, your roundup of the week sailing. Don't forget, if you'd like to sponsor the forecast, or you know any companies, marinas, clubs, etc. who'd like to get involved, please do let us know. But for now, thanks for watching and keep the sun shining. Bye for now.